Okay, you guys, we're almost at the end of the week. We've just got a couple more sheets to go, and we'll be good to go. Okay, so you guys did the first couple. Down here, you did the same investment. That's all filled in now. So now you're at increase investment by 100 years. This last video is going to go through these last 3 slides, what you need to do with them, or sheets, I mean. Okay, so what you need to do here is you're going to increase your investment by $1,000 every year for 100 years and see how much you make. So that's going to be involving this formula that, you know, like equals A2 plus 1, and you're going to drag down till you get to 100. So here we go, all the way down to 100. I'll let you guys do that. And then you're going to fill in those formulas here so you get the rest. So you're going to go through and get all the rest of the formulas in here. Remember, all you need to do once those formulas are in is just drag down and it'll fill it all in for you. So it shouldn't take very long. So the next page is same investment to earn $15,000. So here's where you don't know how many years it's going to be, but you do know that you're investing $1,000 every year. So you're just going to carry that $1,000 down there. Then the last one is you're going to increase your investment to earn $15,000. So I've got the first 4 down for you so you can see how that's going to work, but you're going to have to come up with a formula that's going to turn this 300 to, you're basically going to be adding 100 to each one of these cells. Okay? And if your formatting doesn't work out exactly, like, that's fine. If you want to make it look nice like I did, I used borders here. The font is Laura, size is 24. But, like, that's not super important. Most important is that you know how to put the formulas in and make them work. Okay? Good luck. Happy weekend. We'll see you later.